Black Friday is here, but are the deals actually here? We're going to find out.
We're going to take a look at a bunch of retailers that are live today and try to get this video to you as fast as possible so you can see some of the Black Friday deals that we think are good for PC gamers. But before we get into that, we give a big thanks to today's sponsor, Jawa.gg. We'll be talking about their PC hardware deals later on in today's video. They're a great place to get some used graphics card deals and even ready-to-go PCs, but more on them later. Thanks again to them for sponsoring. But we're not going to waste any time. We're going to dive into some deals and hopefully get this up as soon as possible. This is the day of Black Friday we're filming this. It's actually 7:34. I'm hoping to get this done, edited, and uploaded within an hour and a half. We'll see if that works out. But we're going to dive into these deals anyways and see what kind of stuff we have to offer for PC gamers. First up, we got Best Buy. So let's see what we're looking at here in the doorbusters category. Now, with Best Buy, this could be anything. This could be general electronics, so it could literally just be
Coffee makers.
Coffee makers,
Yeah.
It could be anything. But we'll probably just go to PC gaming to start because there is a PC gaming category.
Even cooler that they have that. We don't have to like sort through tea makers and stuff. Is that it?
Okay.
Okay.
I was like, is that it? So one thing that we are noticing, and we've been promoting a lot of stuff for Black Friday throughout the, whole month of November, is a lot of these deals we're seeing right now are ones that have been on sale the entire month. But if you are somebody who's waited till Black Friday and kind of been ignoring deals, there are good ones.
Yeah, we got the HP Victus, which every retailer is probably selling for Black Friday deals right now.
Some are HP Victus. This is one which I'm going to give you a warning, by the way. I really want to do a video on this one. We do have the laptop. We're going to get the video, and it's going to go live on Monday, which most likely the sale will be over, but they may have some carryover for like December sales and stuff for you guys buying holiday gifts. But this one I would pick up now if you are considering, because $549 is a pretty solid deal.
Yeah, RTX 4050. I will say, I hate the naming scheme. Ryzen 7 744.5. What is that? A 6-core 12? How's it a 7?
Yep. And yeah, 60 gigs of RAM. I think this one's the dual channel. I can't remember specifically. But this one, no, it's it's dual channel.
8.
So again, you get the advantage of having the dual channel DDR5 and SODIMM and a 512 gig SSD. So laptop deal, looking pretty good at Best Buy right now. This is, I think, a what?
30 or
I think it's a 50-50. It is a 50-50.
How's that a 2023 model?
50-50 2023 model. I guess the i5, the 13th gen i5.
Yeah, that's true.
It's 2023. They do this a lot with laptops, but if you want latest and greatest, you get DLSS 4 with the 50-50. This is a good one at $649. That's not a deal. Ignore that one. 6500 XT, not amazing.
That thing's still being sold, huh?
Oh wait, we got one for $479, but that's a, I'm gonna assume 13 gen Victus.
With a 3050?
Yeah, I would spend the extra money on the 4050 for sure. Now they still have the same one that you guys have been buying up like crazy. The one we went to Best Buy and picked up, which I'm actually surprised they still have. The 5060 with the 14400F for $779.
They probably had a big stock of
They
these
had
just for this occasion.
16 gigs of DDR5 memory, 1 terabyte SSD. Once again, if you're looking for a desktop, it's really going to be hard to beat this right now at this price point. So you're looking for one and you're waiting. Again, it's only going to get worse. We're not trying to fearmonger or anything. The RAM situation is only going to get worse. This is probably your best time to buy one like this.
We're not fear-mongering, but we're truth-telling.
We're telling you the truth. But Best Buy, yeah, looking pretty good on laptops and desktops. I would imagine they're probably not running any sales on graphics cards, but we'll just check.
See if they're running any sales on RAM.
RAM? I don't know about that. 9060 XE 16 gig, that's kind of normal. Normal.
If you want to pick it up today, it's cool.
Yeah, pick up today. It's available.
Is that a 3060?
That is a 3060 12 gig for $299. Black Friday deal, they say.
Wow.
I don't know about that one. That's not a Black Friday deal. $699, that's normal.
Normal 5060 for $300.
Normal, yeah, normal. So nothing crazy, just on first glance in terms of Best Buy Black Friday deals. But if you guys find anything, you can let people know in the comments down below. Again, kind of use this as a little forum for you guys to just say, hey, deal over here, go buy this, and kind of share deals with each other.
I mean, it's not like a blockbuster deal, but $275 for a 3-fin 9060 XT.
That's not bad.
So if you're looking for a graphics card locally and you want to pick it up like today,
Best Buy. Go get one at
link
Best
down
Buy.
below.
All right, let's check Amazon. Amazon is just gonna be a Wild West. Like, we really have no idea here. We'll just look at graphics cards. We'll look up RAM just for the fun of it, because I don't really think there's gonna be any, but is that that's a deal?
Yeah, but I think Best Buy actually had the same, they had a
5060
Ti
8 gig for
that.
Okay, that's not a deal.
Hell yeah, deal.
819, not a deal, really. Let's see, 369, still the same one, so nothing crazy there. That's the one they're marketing as their Black Friday deal. That's not a Black Friday deal at all.
How's that 3060 still like just new prime shipped? I don't know.
I
think the only spot we're going to see GPUs for like a great deal would be Newegg with like their what do they even call that? Like their flash sale.
Yes, their flash sale. Yeah. There was the one that we saw that is probably, I think it's 9 a.m. Pacific, so you'll actually be able to show you that because that's been sold out yet. It hasn't gone live, but let's just do the Doob scroll.
$2.99. It's like, oh, that's a great price.
I love how it's in stock with Prime delivery. See, Jackson's out of the office, but I had a deal. I don't know if Zach told you about it.
I did hear about it. He was bragging so hard.
So you got the Team Group deal. It was in stock. It was from Team Group. It was $100. I bought it, and then it said it was shipped. Like, literally, I got the email saying, we're processing it, shipping your order, and then it said, cancel, we don't have enough stock.
That sucks because you probably thought you were in the home run once you saw ship.
Oh, no, I thought so, too.
That's crazy for Oloy, too.
DDR4.
Wow.
156. Okay, this is supposed to be a deals video. This is not supposed to be a doom scrolling video. I'll look up gaming PCs just to be safe to see if there's any other gaming PC deals. But for the most part, I think if you're going to buy a pre-built PC, obviously PC Pros on tech, but secondly, Best Buy and like Newegg and Walmart would probably be your best locations for those. Because some of these, they're fine, but they're not like as good as the other retailers.
That's such a combo. An i9 1400 KF with a 5070.
You got to love that. Got to love those deals.
But on the flip side, if you're looking, even though they're not like Black Friday deals, if you're looking for a PC, you know, like we were saying, we would not wait.
Big shout out again to Jawa.gg for sponsoring today's video. We're going to take a break from the other deals real quick to show you some of the deals that Jawa has to offer for Black Friday. They've been running these sales all week for Black Friday, and you can cash in today if you're quick on some of these awesome deals on graphics cards, pre-built PCs, and more. If you guys don't know already, Jawa.gg is an online marketplace that is curated for PC gamers and is moderated to ensure that there's no scalping and that you're buying the product that you're looking for. Now, hopping on early in the morning on Black Friday, they seem to have some pretty solid deals right now. For example, this RTX 5070 from the official Jawa store for $435. This is good price performance that'll save you a little bit of heartache when building a new PC this holiday season because of RAM pricing. You can also get this fully built gaming PC with the Intel Arc B580 and i5 12600KF for $899. Whenever we like building gaming PCs, we like to tell you guys, find a bunch of different resources to get the best price performance. And if Jawa.gg is not one of your resources, I don't know what you're doing. And be sure to use code TOASTY10 on checkout to save 10% off up to $10 on your first purchase over on Jawa.gg. Big thanks again to Jawa for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to some deal hunting. Now we're gonna go to Newegg. What I will do at the end of this video is we'll go to like the main resources like Build a PC Sales and some other ones just to see if there's any that people are finding on like random websites or not the main ones we look at. But for the most part, we're gonna focus on the main retailers today and just give you all some quick recommendations. So let's see what Newegg has, because Newegg normally has some deals. Right now,
ooh, $25 off the Gladiator X3D. That'd make it $455, I think.
That's pretty good. I'd rather get that than it bundled with some, you know, liquid cooler that I would never use.
Hey, AI, 24 terabyte hard drive. Buy that.
Buy that instead. That's cool. God, why is that on sale? That's the same price we saw at Micro Center for that 9070 XT Challenger, $599. So that seems pretty normal.
AO Ace PC with the 5700X.
Let's see. This one seems to be top Black Friday. Is it really top Black? That's not. Compared to Best Buy and Walmart, I wouldn't say this is a good deal. Because
Seaview Room.
Yeah, Seaview Room, baby. Not a good deal on that one. We have a 2 terabyte 990 Pro for $169. It seems okay. 5070 Ti for $729 after mail-in rebate. That's not horrible. None of these are just like jumping off the screen as like crazy deals though. I'll check an ABS system just so we can check it. Let's see. 5060 with the, they have that weird i5, that rebranded i5, the 120F, the one that's basically, what, 10th gen that they rebranded and stuff.
Yeah, that's we want to see that eventually.
That's weird.
I'll tell you what, one thing I feel like we need to just ban is like, I'm putting the slash to the price, that's fine. That's been a thing for like 40 years. I'm tired of seeing Black Friday deal on something that you just looked at the price like yesterday, and it's the exact same price. I'm like, what's Black Friday deal about
There's
that?
nothing Black Friday about it really. And all this stuff just is not, yeah, Black Friday deal, guys.
Off.
Oh yeah, here we go. Let's look at this one. Black Friday deal, wow.
I mean, this price would get you like 128 gigs of like 4 sticks at like 8,000 megahertz.
I'm just thinking for the average gamer, they see this price and they're like, I could buy a whole PS5 Pro with this.
Yeah. Or maybe the new Steam console.
Oh, no, Steam console. Oh, it was out of stock. I was going to see if that was in stock.
Wow, it's out of stock even for that price.
But let's go and look at the Shell Shocker deals that you guys should take advantage of, because that's the biggest thing from them is...
Not even the Black Friday deals, the Shell Shock deals.
The Shell Shocks.
Which is really just like, hey, we have a really, really limited quantity of this stuff. Buy it like ASAP. It's just a way to get people onto Newegg, really.
But basically, I'll include it on screen here. We saw it yesterday, the day before Black Friday. They were going to have like a 5060 Ti on sale for $99. I would imagine they're only going to have a very small amount of those. So go to Newegg if you want to use the link down below to kind of just scour for that one. But
keep an eye out for those too. Like, I'd probably sign up for Newegg's emails if you're actively looking for PC parts or like stuff in the PC world. Those Shell Shocker deals are actually wild.
Yeah, and I know the Ultra CPUs have been on sale for a while now, so those are decent options.
$50 off.
$50 off. I think the Ultra 5 is down to about $169.
Is that actually any good? That combo? It's
Oh, wait,
DDR4, but I see that's RAM.
Wait, we might be onto something here. So there's no CPU with it.
Right.
So it's a B550M Pro with 30 gigs of RAM and a cooler.
So I mean, you can think. Let's think $70 for the board.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not a bad board. $70, maybe
Yep.
80. 70 for the cooler. So we'll just say 140. Actually, that's like a $50 cooler. So 70, 130.
70 for the RAM. I mean, that's not. I mean,
It's 32 gigs.
It's DDR4, but it's 32 gigs.
Yeah.
That one's not bad.
Right.
Take a look at that one. That one is not bad. I can't believe I'm saying that.
Get your
it's not
Ryzen
bad.
5 5500 with it.
Yeah, get that going there. We want to briefly look at eBay, because eBay sometimes they have like nothing on their website right now. Normally they'll be like, hey, there's some stuff for Black Friday.
What's weird about eBay is like they really have to almost work with sellers for Black Friday deals because they don't want to give coupons for sellers stuff.
And I imagine some of these are just going to be sellers like, yeah, this is nothing.
Man, eBay PCs are just something else.
Now you might find, literally, this is how long you have to scroll nowadays.
Like
to find
we
anything.
find really good deals, but if you type in gaming PC or gaming laptop,
And then sometimes there'll be one like wedged in there, but like half the time it's just
asking for a bad time.
It's just crap. You know what? If there's an eBay deal, let me know down below, because those are the ones that'll probably be on like Build a PC sales that I've not seen yet. So let's do the usual. Let's look up some gaming PCs. Let's see what we got. We still got these CyberPower and iBuyPower. I know they've already made a statement saying their prices are going up next year, but like they still
Not
have
yet.
these. They still have these, and this one is probably the main one that you'd be looking at. We did a whole video on this PC. Let's see, 8700F with a 7700 XT, a little bit older. I probably wouldn't go that route, but it has 32 gigs of DDR5 memory though, so it's an option. I think the moral of the story is things are kind of the same prices so far that they have been all week. So if you were considering something and have been holding off for better, at least they still have the stuff that was in stock before. But it's cheaper than all of them. If you are looking at 5070, that would be a good one. 5060 for $279. That's a discount, a little cheaper. Really, I was hoping to see decent deals on graphics cards because at least would limit the blow of the RAM pricing. It'd help you a little bit. So maybe that bundle would be decent.
There's $350 for a 16 gig 9060 XT.
That is a discount. That is a little bit cheaper. Let's see, 5060 Ti for $379. That seems to be the universal deal. Black Friday deal. Here we go. What is it? $369. Okay.
Yeah. These are where the turbo nerds
This is where we find the deals. And if you guys want to hunt yourself, use the resource down below. I don't think we're just stealing these deals and not telling you where we're getting them. You can get these from Build a PC sales. Let's see what they have. Apple AirPods. Whoa! Mousepad. Oh wow, this is the market we're in, guys. I mean, $7.
What is this like?
This is Amazon Haul. I've never seen Amazon Haul before.
Okay.
I don't know what that is, but limit 10 per customer for $7.49.
Buy 10 of them.
Buy 10 of them. There you go. We also have an Apple TV. We have a case on Woot. Woot is a place where normally we see some Black Friday deals. This one's sold out though, unfortunately. But
They're the ones that are owned by Amazon.
Yep. B&H Photo has B580s and is this a bundle? So $320, you get an 850 watt power supply and a B580.
So we'll just say $100 for the PSU, and then like the GPU's $220. So it's average.
That's pretty average. I don't think that's amazing. Supply kit. It's a kit.
Yeah, I feel like we've looked at the the main ones, the usual guys. Just scour the interwebs. Build a PC sales is a good place to look, and then look at your used market. Even you might find people that want to buy something for Black Friday, or they already bought their Black Friday deal and then they're selling the other thing that they did have.
So yeah, if you guys want to see updated deals, again, I'm going to be editing this really quickly to try to get it up, and I'll try to look for some more deals and update it throughout the day in the description down below. Again, there are affiliate links and they will help us out. But Black Friday, it seems like it's just an extension of what's been going on all November. Kind of what I expected, to be honest. But if you guys do look around and find some deals, let me know what you find down below and help out fellow PC gamers for Black Friday.
Well guys, we hope you enjoyed today's Black Friday video, and like we said, if you find any cool deals, let us know down below. But as always, we hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to check out our other 2 YouTube channels and also our twitch.tv/ToastyBros, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
See you in the next one. Bye-bye.
At PCBros.tech, you know, for the rest of the month, what's left of it, we're still doing the free mouse pad and the free cleaning kit.
You can buy a PC from us at PCBros.tech. Use code ToastyBros on checkout, or cash in on our saving for the free mouse pad and cleaning kit on your next purchase.
And sweepstakes.
And the sweepstakes.
You get entered for that.
Hurry up.
It's almost over.
See you guys later.